Hey guys, Richard here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well wherever you are. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very special unboxing and very exciting. Hope you guys can see that. I got the MacBook Pro 2019 16-inch model. This has the 512 gigabytes of storage, 16 gigs of RAM, 2.6 gigahertz processor. But yeah, I got it in the color space gray as well. And let me just do the unboxing. As you can see, this is a refurbished model. The reason why I went with the refurbished model was because number one, to save money, obviously, and number two, it's not even old, in my opinion. Like, it's only 2 weeks or less old. Anyways, let's just get into the video. I'm super excited. Also, by the way, if you guys do have a MacBook Pro 16-inch, let me know down in the comments below what accessories you guys think I should get. Any case recommendations, dongles, any USB-C hubs, all that sort of good stuff. But yeah, let me just pull it here. There's a pull tab. Hope you guys can see that here. This is my favorite part. I'm also trying to do this quickly as I can because the sun's going down. Ooh. Let me give it a smell test, shall we? Ooh. It smells very clean. Ooh, well, this is bigger than I thought it would be. I'm so excited. I'm speechless. Okay. Ooh, it's very thin. Whoa. I did not expect that. Wow. As you can see, it has the plastic wrapping that it comes with normally. Great. Let me put this to the side in a second. I'll come back to it. In the box, we have the USB-C charging cable. This is all the warranty information, how to use your MacBook information, all that stuff. Ooh. We got the space gray Apple stickers. I've never seen that before. I love it. I love space gray anything. By the way, just put that there. And here is, like I said, this is the user guide. If you never used one of these guys before, you guys know all that stuff. I'm going to be needing this because I came from a late 2013 MacBook Pro Retina display. That one, it's like dying down on me right now, and I only have 128 gigabytes of storage, and clearly that's not enough. I thought it was back then when I purchased it, but yeah, this is the charging brick that it comes with. This is pretty heavy too. I did not expect that. This is the 96 watt charging brick. Super powerful. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What's in this box. Let me just put that away. So now let's just get the MacBook itself. I'm gonna have to get used to this so badly and hopefully I get used to it pretty quickly, because this is super heavy. I did not know that it would be this heavy, but anyways, it looks really good. Looks so clean. Let me give this a smell as well. I don't really smell anything. Some people said it smells like something, but maybe not mine. Anyway, let's give it a pull. I love that sound. And here we go. As you can see, it's turning on itself by itself. This looks so good, you guys. This looks so good. Ooh, the keyboard's starting to light up. So, if you guys didn't know, this 16-inch MacBook Pro, it has a new Magic Keyboard instead of the old previous generations. They all had something called So you just cut me off. Okay. But as I was saying, this is the one with the magic keyboard instead of the old, they had the butterfly switch keyboards. So I'm excited to test it out. I've never even seen these guys in person before either. So hopefully it works 100% well. I'll do a full review very soon because I gotta get used to how this MacBook works. It has the Touch ID, separate Touch ID button, separate Touch ID here, the touch bar. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but there's a beautiful touch bar. The one that I had, it never had a touch bar. It had the physical buttons all throughout the keyboard. So that's something new that I will be enjoying and learning how to use. And yeah, there's also a physical escape key here, which a lot of people complained about because they wanted to have that back. And on the butterfly switch keyboard and the touch bar, the one that was on the previous generation, people had some trouble with it. So that's why it's back at the physical key button, but yeah. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick review, mini review unboxing of my 16-inch MacBook Pro 2019 model in the color Space Gray. And let me know down in the comments below what kind of accessories you think I should get. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe.